Yo, what's good, GC fam? Today we are diving into the trade with bot. I'm gonna show you how it works and how it provides us with insider information about the market, allowing us to track and copy the strategies of the best traders. You will find the link to the trade with bot in the description and in the first comment. We are talking about smart wallets, smart money, alpha tokens, well movements, and much more that will take your trading game to the next level. Basically, massive information that will supercharge your trading session. And yes, you can also trade on autopilot mode. In case you miss it, I made a video about the trade with extensions. There is insane knowledge in that one. After watching this video, be sure to check it out. The link is in the description. By the way, join the Juicy House, aka the MasterChefs community, with over 1000 active Juicy members cooking 24/7. Quick reminder, catch my trading lives every day. Alright, we are here in the Trade with Bot web. We have different sections like Smart Money, Copy Trade, Trade Settings, Portfolio, and Referrals. Well, we are gonna go to Smart Money, and here we have top 200 KOL, basically top 200 key opinion leaders, top smart money, and wallets traders that I'm following. If we go to this section, we can filter by 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and even more filters. Well, here in this section, we have the wallet, the names, the Twitter accounts, the wallet balance, the P&L of the last day, the percentage, how many profits these wallets have made in the last 24 hours, the win rate, how many tokens they trade in the last day, how many transactions, and top 3 profit tokens, the average buy and active. Yeah. If we go to bet month, for instance this one, we can see the P&L, the win rate, yeah, the P&L calendar, the profit distribution. Yo, these both metrics are really important. Basically, holding duration, during how much time this guy hold a coin. This information is really important. And also the entry, so at what market cap this guy enter, plus how many wallets this guy is tracking, is copying, and how many people is copying these wallets. So as you can see at the moment, 7 wallets are copying this guy and they are making profits. This wallet 22k in the last 7 days. This guy 67k in the last 7 days. And this guy almost 30k crazy in the last 7 days. Yeah. Here are the wallets, the tokens. Okay, we have here the recent P&L. We can filter and realize P&L, total P&L, the balance, holding duration. Yeah, before tracking, before copying wallets, this info about holding duration is super important. Yeah, because you have to study the wallet that you want to copy or track, both average, sol average, and transactions. Well, in case we want to track and copy this wallet, in this case copy this wallet, we click create copy task, and yeah, this is the wallet as you can see, and we are gonna change the name. So in this case, for instance, like GG, for instance, okay? We can filter. Yo fam, it's worth to invest time in TradeWiz because the information here is massive, is insane. And then we create copy task, okay? Because I'm already copying this wallet, that's why. Yeah, if we go to trade setting, 1 second, this and this. Yeah, until now I'm copying 3 wallets. As you can see, the PNL in the last 24 hours, I mean, since I copying this wallet, in this case, this wallet has made 22 sol, 100 sol, and this guy 3.6 sol. That's crazy. Yeah, we can pause, or as you prefer, if you wanna start copying, just click play, and now status active. Okay. In case you wanna add a new wallet to copy, new copy trade, for instance, GC flips, comma, and I paste the wallets. I add the filters you want to add, create copy task, and that's all. Now it's active. Okay, perfect. If you wanna see a video of me copying a wallet and I'm gonna show you the results, let me know in comment. Well, here we can copy, and this new reverse copy, basically, if you are copying a wallet, when that wallet buy, you sell, and when that wallet sell, you buy. And here we have the trade setting. Yeah, the buy slippage, buy pump slippage, the fee, and the bribe fee. That's the full TradeWiz guide. You can find the link to TradeWiz in the description and in the first comment. Make sure to join the GC house, give this video a like, hit the notification bell, and leave any questions about TradeWiz in the comments. See you in the GC house, legend!